Hi, this is Glenn. This is 6 1, half dozen the other, where I review things at 6 months, 1 year, and beyond. And I work this stuff. So there's no unboxing, there's no fluff, there's no, oh, new car smell. This is stuff stinks, it's been used, and I'm letting you know. Should you buy it? Will it last? And on this one, I'll say yeah. However, the first one I bought, as you can see, I originally purchased it on June 12th, 2018 on this one, but I purchased the original one in that package system, with the bag and everything. It went tits up in a year. This one, however, it still works, and like I said, I paid $54.99 for it. Or I didn't really say, I'm just saying it right now. And now it's going to cost you $57. So you're getting screwed on that one. But anyways, let me show it to you. Make sure you know that I really have it and I really use it. So here's some footage. Hey, this is Glenn, your contractor. And I have the trailer and the van to prove it. This item right here. Get my trusty toolbox. This is my second one. Okay, I had to reorder from the set. When they have the set with the two drill motors and blah blah blah. Anyways, here it is right here, and it's lasted all this time. I haven't had a problem with this one. I had a problem with the other one, which was a different design than this one, and I like this design better than the other one. So, does it work? Yeah. Will it last? Being a Porter cable? Yeah. Could you buy a Milwaukee or one of these yellow ones? I got one of the yellow ones here. What is that? DeWalt? Yeah, DeWalt. Yeah, you could buy DeWalt, I guess. If you want to spend the money, go ahead. Me, I try to be smart, and I don't try to look the part, obviously. I just try to make sure that I have a good reputation. That's it. Got to keep my reputation. That means I have to have tools that are going to do the job, not make me look bad, get it done quickly, with precision, and really, in the end, guys, with tools, it's all about how do they make you look in the end. Not as you're walking around your buddies, in the yard or whatever job you're on, and them going, oh, you got Porter cable, you need to get Milwaukee, or you need to get this, that, or the other. In the end, all people care about is that, that crown molding is perfect. Oh, my kitchen cabinets look great. Oh, this looks perfect. I love that's what it's all about, people. That's what it's all about. Do they last? Yes, they do last. Do other things last longer? Yeah, those are the ones used to plug in, and they really don't make those anymore. Matter of fact, I have a garage filled. It's my garage back in Washington. I have stuff that's over 30 to even some of the stuff that belonged to my dad that still works and still works great. But it's not cordless, people. Cordless, really, with this reliability, has only been around for a short time. So you have to decide and make your judgment based on that. Anyways, this is Glenn signing out. Back to the studio. Oops. There we go. I'm back. Anyways, so there you go. There's my brutally honest opinion. And like I always say in my videos, if you have something you want me to review, use, and abuse, you better send it now, because no one's going to know that you sent it until 6 months or a year later. So unless you have coffee, wine, or alcoholic beverages, I'm not a beer drinker, so don't send me any of that stuff. But wine, cognac, stuff like that, good stuff. I will give you a spot-on review at that moment. I won't wait. Unless it's a cognac or a whiskey or a bourbon. depending on the date that you send it, what date it is. Then you might have to wait, because, you know, that's the best stuff, right? Kind of like wine, too. Anyways, off topic. Should you buy one? Yep. Is it worth $57? Yep. If you're a decent contractor or what have you, is it going to last? Can you throw it down on the ground? Yep. Does it cut? Yep. Does it strain? Does it, you know, stop on you when you're really getting into it, you know? Nope. Make sure you buy good blades, because that's what does the cutting, you know? So that's it. Can you buy something better and spend more money? Of course. You can always do that. But do you want to? I don't know. I wouldn't. So this is what I got. That's a real world review. 18, 19, 20. So we're gotten 2.5 years now use out of it. 2.5 years for a price of, I paid what did I pay for it again? $54. Yeah, I got, you know, that's like a half hour worth of work, 15 minutes. So yeah, buy it. There you go. There's my review. Have a good one. This is Glenn signing out. 6 1, half dozen the other. Talk at you later. Subscribe and do all that stuff so I can become rich off of Google Ads. Yeah, that's right. Thank you. I can't understand